Alright, we're recording. Let's check it out. Alright, let's go. Remember, keep your hands in your pocket. Okay? Hold on. You just keep going. Go. Alright, go this way, buddy. Hey, down here. Stand down there. If I had some air left, I'll let you shoot me. Alright, here, come over here. Stand right here. Dude, Kyle's gonna freaking love this. Right. Keep your hands all the way in your pockets. Okay, all the way in. All the way, alright? And in? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Keep your hands in. Oh! And you feel it?
Yeah.
It hurt? Oh!
It's not.
You good?
I'm done.
You feel it?
What?
Are you good?
Okay. Ah! Ah!
Alright, you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, put the helmet in the face. You gotta get on the up. Dude, you did awesome, man. You took her right to the chops. You want to say hi to Kyle?
Yeah.
Okay, did he hit you in the hand?
Yeah.
Hold on. You can say hi, Kyle.
Hi, Kyle.